What's up, guys? It's your boy Pokedude123 here, back at you with another video. And today, this is basically part 2 of the aftermath of the Lavender Town episode. So in the last in the part 1, we basically went all the way, found out that the Pokeball trick doesn't work on the Marowak Ghost anymore. So basically, we did the whole Rocket storyline, decimating everything with speed. And now, so now basically what had happened is that's basically all we're gonna do. We caught the Snorlax, so all that's left really to do is, like, you know, not go into alright, nothing should kill me here, right? Yeah. Alright, now we're gonna magnitude 8. Nice. Alright, nothing electric can do to kill me, right? Yeah, right. Alright. I don't know what he's doing with open wires, but, yeah. We're gonna continue on the road again to the places I will never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. Magikarp at level 24 is dead. Magikarp at level 24 is also dead. Alright, wait a minute. Oh, this is still the same, thing. Oh, but wait a minute. I can either get a grass encounter or I can get a water encounter. Kitty isn't doing the best right now, but I always can grind them up later. Wait. Yeah, we're just gonna put you to sleep. Rockabye baby, you little goldfish, like all goldfish will be in about a couple weeks when you get them from the fair. I had to learn that the hard way, unfortunately, but hopefully you guys will know that with the knowledge I just gave to you. Don't get a fish at a fair, because they die in like a month. Just man up. Don't take your kids to the fair. So just get a fish that'll die in 2 months. Bro, just get one from the pet store. Those are always more healthy. At least most of them are. Some aren't the best, but most of them are. So just always get a fish from the store. Don't get it from... I can't believe this turned in from like a friendly Pokemon episode to just like, yo, don't buy the fish if you value... Oh, this is a bird catcher? I thought it was a... Oh, hold on, this makes it better. I can't believe this turned in from a friendly Pokemon episode to just a, straight up episode about death. Nice. Just like this Pidgeotto is dead. Hit yourself. Yeah, that's what I thought. Anywho, wait. Technically, what our route? Wow. Technically, what our routes? Oh, bro, why are so many Pokemon asleep? Technically, what our route, whatever that route was, be the Snorlax. Since we got on that route, I'm gonna count the Snorlax as the encounter. Oh, freak. We have nothing good. So we need Sprout to wake up ASAP. Wake up, you little baby. Or else I will literally never use you again. And then just use, Pal. Yes, I still have that thing. It's been sitting in the box, collecting dust, with the rest of the Pokemon I still do not use. Let's be careful not to run into any trainers. You're an electrician. I really hope you're an electrician because... Oh, I need to wake up my Pokemon. Wake up! Wake up! It's that time. Speaking of waking up, do your parents like ever do this to you, or is it just me? Do they like? Oh, it's another bird catcher. Do they like just turn on the light and be like, "Yo, wake up, and then just leave you, or are they just like shaking you violently and being like, "Yo, wake up! It's time to go to school! Wake up! Wake up! Okay, my parents were obviously the first thing, but comment down below if your parents were the people. And there goes our flying type for the run. Once again, I forget that Gust hits flying types. Gust hits flyers. Cheesecake, I'm sorry this is how you had to go out. I will not lose a Pokemon to the same way. And there's still more to this battle. It always sucks when you lose to a Pokemon to the same kind of Pokemon. Oh, now it's just got a Fearow. Oh yeah, throw all the big strong birds at me. Why don't you? Jeez, at least this guy doesn't have a Articuno. Okay, he doesn't. This is the last Pokemon. Alright, this is kind of risky, but we're gonna go for it. See why it's risky? See why it's risky? See why it's risky? See why it's risky? Oh, speed. No. Oh. Nothing in the world is... Bro, nothing in the world is good. I just lost 2 Pokemon. 2 birds. And that wasn't even the right way. So you're saying I just lost 2 Pokemon, all for the value of XP. This is our team currently. We have Sorrel, which, unless we can teach like some sort of TM, is completely useless against flying types, which most of these trainers are. So, to prepare for this, I'm just gonna teach Dig Dug Rock Tomb and replace a Mud Slap, because I've used Mud Slap once as like a... Okay, I didn't even have to fight, so teaching Mud Slap was basically all for nothing. Okay, we're gonna slow you down. Okay, you'll never get me like this. Okay, go. You wouldn't actually do that, would you? Ugh. I hate the world right now. I currently hate the world. I currently hate the world right now. That was the most stupid play, and I'm taking all the blame for it. That was all my bad. If I had to teach Doug Trio Rock Tomb earlier, this probably would have never happened. But me being the stupid self I am, and Game Freak being the stupid people they are to make bird catchers and electricians, what may I remind you, who have 2 polar opposite Pokemon, have the same overall sprite. See, look at this. Look at this. See? See? Do you see? Why would you go for wing attack? Oh, we're gonna have to sack something up again? Bro, this by far is the worst episode, I swear. You know what? You know how I was saying that, we're gonna have more water types? Yeah, we're gonna have more water types. So, honestly, I'm not bad for losing Kitty. Or not. Or not. Yay. Alright, I got a plan. It still involves cutting someone, and that still is Kitty. We'll do 40 damage to it, though. We'll kill it, though. Yeah, it seems like Gyarados really wants to live. And I value that. Okay, you're a double battle, and I'm not taking you on currently. So, yeah, I'm just gonna skip y'all. This is a biker. And bikers always do weird stuff like this. Like, look at these bikers right now. They can't decide which way they're going. Ugh. Turn the other way. Turn the other... No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. York, I really need you to do something. Kill it. York, don't die on me. York, don't die on me. York! Ah! York, you stupid piece of crap. I needed you. Bro, I am not feeling alright right now. I am not feeling alright. I am currently in the worst mood someone can ever feel. I am currently living down in the dumps. Words can't even explain what I'm currently feeling right now. And I'm gonna look something up real fast. Alright, turns out Google doesn't have the answers to everything. I looked up, hey, Google, be useful once and tell me how much health would a male Weezing have at level 28 in Pokemon Fire Red? And unsurprisingly, it said, what are you talking about? Do I need to get some help? It didn't actually say that, but... Okay, Kitty, I don't know what is up with you. Bro, Kitty does not want to die. I'm not even going for my routes right now. Like, I am literally not going for my routes. You're a bird catcher, aren't you? And being my stupid self, I'm still gonna lead with Dove Trio. Because look at my team right now. Look at my team. Oh, this is gonna suck. Please, I'm begging you. Please! No. Venonat. I don't care. It'll be my encounter later. Well, guys, remember that. My encounter is Venonat, alright? Go, 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 go. Is this it? Is this Future City? No, it's Route 15. Oh, we made it. We actually made it. We didn't lose the nuzlocke. We made it. Oh, Lordy. I don't feel good anymore. I really do not. I really do not. Speed, I'm sorry, buddy. And Cheesecake, I'm sorry about you too. Two great members down and out. Bro, like, Speed was so good. I was using Speed to massacre the Team Rocket Grunts. And Cheesecake was so close to becoming a... Words are lost for the pain I just went through. And it's all because of a bird trainer. Bird trainers are the worst class, hands down. Now we have to complete an entire new team, and I'm gonna have to grind so much, it's not even funny anymore. This was supposed to be a part 2 for a episode whatever at this point, because I can't keep track of this. But now it turned into a bloodbath. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And this has been PokeDude123 signing out. Well, I could have avoided all that from happening. I hate bird catchers. Bird catchers are the #1 least trainer class, hands down.